If you are creating a list inside of Google Sheets, then you can add a tick box to make it more interactive. Let's say, for example, I'm going to type in shopping list right here, just like this. And if I were to type that out right there, I can go around and type in, let's say, for example, milk. I'm going to say banana right here. I'm going to say honey. And let's say I'm going to say rice right here, potato, just like this. So let's say this is my shopping list. So over here, I want to add in a tick list right here. So in order to do that, I can go around and select the cell where I want to add in the tick box to. And then I can go around and click on insert. And over here, you can see that checkbox is an option. So once you go around and click on checkbox, you can see that this is what you have. And you can go around and there you go. If I were to click and drag it, then you can copy that around. You can click on these and you can see that you can simply click and right there to actually add in a value right here. So over here, you can see that it says false, but if I were to type in true and enter, then it takes it out over here as well. So you can tick out the ones you like and uncheck out the ones you don't like. And that is how you can work around with tick box inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.